In this video tutorial, I'm going to share with you a very simple strategy to trade on the MEXC exchange and make a lot of money from it. And the minimum capital you need for this is from $50 upward. And this strategy involves trading newly listed token. The reason why I'm choosing MEXC exchange for this particular strategy is because there are a lot of newly listed tokens that get listed on this exchange. In fact, if a project wants to get listed across all exchanges before other exchanges even list it for trading, it is already trading on the MEXC exchange, which is why we need this particular exchange for this. Now, if you don't have an account with the MEXC exchange, the link will be in the video description to sign up for one. Just download the app, sign up for an account, register an account, make a deposit, get your account verified, make a deposit, and you can come back to this video and start trading with this strategy that I want to share with you. So to get started with this strategy, the first thing you need is a MEXC account. You can create an account using the link in the video description or the link on my Telegram. So if you click on it, it brings you to this page. You can sign up using your email or using your mobile phone, or if you scroll down right here, you have the option to sign up using your Google account, your Apple account, and these other options that you have here. Right, so if you have a Google, a Gmail account, and all of that, I would prefer you go with the Google account option. Once you sign up for account, make sure that the referral code right here is showing. Okay, very, very important. Make sure that you have this referral code showing up on yours. If not, you can copy this thing down and use it in the process of signing up. With this, you can get up to $8,000 as welcome bonus once you sign up. Now, after you sign up, the next thing you want to do is to verify your account. So if I go to the profile icon right here, if you go ahead and click on that, you'll see the option that says verify. You can see that my own says verified. So your own will be showing on verified here. Just click on it and follow the on-screen instruction to verify your account. You can use any of your government issue ID card to verify your account. Verification takes just a minute or thereabout, okay? Now, to the strategy, guys, if I come down here, this is my MEXC app, and right here, there are different options right here, okay? And I'm always on the new option, and as you can see, this token will be listed in few minutes from now. You can see right there, this one too will be listed in few hours. This one too will be listed in few hours. And if I scroll down here, you see a lot of tokens that got listed yesterday. These are all the tokens that got listed yesterday. So there are newly listed tokens coming on MEXC like every now and then. If you go to the fly trade option right here, guys, let me go to the daily time frame. So right here on the daily time frame, you can see when this got listed. This was when it got listed. You can see that down right here. Okay, this is the date and the time. So this is it. It got listed somewhere around this area of 0.0 something, and this thing went up to $1.6. Now this is how this works. There are no technical analysis involved with this. We are only taking advantage of the hypes around the newly listed price and want to profit out of it. Once it gets listed, all you need to try, for instance, if I go back here, you see that this token will be listed in the next 54 minutes, this first one here. So what I want to do is to get ready to wait for this countdown. So once it gets listed, if you get a sniper entry immediately, you get an entry immediately, you can buy. If I go to the buy option, the countdown will be showing up here. Let me see if I can do that with that new one again. So if I click on this, the countdown will be showing up here. So once this countdown finishes, this token will start trading immediately. All you just need to do is just to click on the buy button immediately, and you want to do market order. Don't worry, MEXC charges a very low fee, so you won't get, you will not lose all your money trying to do market order, right? So once the countdown finishes, the interface comes up this way. All you need to do is to make sure that you change your order type from limit to market, right? And then you go ahead and slide this to the end and you buy. Once you buy immediately, you are looking at the chart. To access that chart, you just click on this. You're looking at the chart. So you go ahead and look at the chart. And once this goes up by 5, 10, 20%, depending on how fast or how volatile the market is, immediately you come back to the sell option and you want to sell with market order again by sliding this to the end, and then you just click on sell. That's how you make money. And to be able to sustain this, you don't need to be very greedy. If the market has given you 5%, 10%, 20%, you don't need to wait for 100%. You don't need to wait for 7,000%. If you get an opportunity to wait for that 5, But if not, what I would do if you want to really wait is once the market has given you a certain percentage, you can slide this to 50% or even to 75% and sell. Then you can hold the remaining 25% so that if the market continues to pump, you will now sell it. This is fast. You have to be very fast about it. You have to be very smart about it. You don't need to be very greedy with it. This is one way, and this all happens in the spot market. Another way is once this token get listed, some of them immediately get listed on futures with a lot of leverage. With the MEXC exchange, you can use up to 200x leverage in some of these tokens. So what I do is to wait. Whenever I see any of these tokens get listed on futures, I want to go ahead and wait. If I cannot join the pump, I will monitor that token until I get a good entry to short it. An example would be with the WCT that got listed a few days ago. This one got listed on all exchanges, got listed across all exchanges, and it was already trading on MEXC. So if I go to the chart option, once I just click on this candlesticks option there, so this will take you to the chart option. This is it, right? So this is it. You can see the day it got listed that it sold off. This is the day it got listed and then it sold off. So after it sells off, there is a possibility that that market will eventually pass. So few things I look at is if I go to the 4 hours time frame and I go there, you can see that immediately it got listed, it sold off before this bounce now happened. So, and some of these tokens will pump immediately they get listed. It just be pumping, especially if the token is only trading on MEXC exchange and then the other exchanges are yet to list it. If this token is to be listed on Bybit, on Binance, let's say by 10 a.m., by 8 or thereabout, or 7, is already trading on MEXC. And because of that, a lot of people want to be buying just to take advantage of the other, news announcement, listing announcement on other exchange. So it will be pumping here, and once it gets listed on other exchange, you see the market start dumping. So this one, you need to be careful about it, which is why you need to join us on Telegram, because what I'm doing right now, I'm discussing with my team of traders to see how we can set a time, a specific day for this particular MEXC new token listing trading. So when the token get listed on the futures market, we go ahead and short it. We can play around with leverage. You can see that my account is always on isolated margin. So whatever I raise there is what I want to lose, right? We can play around with leverage, and we can go as high for this particular newly listed token. You can go as high as 20x. Some tokens you can go as high as 150x and all of that. So focus on spot. Spot can give you 5-10% within minutes, and you close the trade, you exit, and you come back again. So this particular MEXC account is new. I just created this one and I started this journey with $100, and this is what I want to be doing. I've only traded one token and I made 6% out of that. So I just closed the trade, and this is what I want to be doing going forward. So if I get 5, 10, 20%, I close, and then we'll continue to do that. So what I'm doing on the spot market is to compound this amount of money that I have here. So whenever I get opportunity, let's say I want to trade this one here that we listed, I go all in, and once I get to 3%, I close it. When the next one get listed again, I go all in. I get to 3%, I close it. And if it's not going in my favor, I'll just close the trade and then just wait for a new opportunity. So this is what I've been doing. It's a bit risky, but if you calm down your head and then you try to understand what I'm explaining here, you make a lot of money every day from newly listed token on the MEXC exchange. I want you guys to take advantage of this. I'm going to set out a day that I'll be doing this together with you, maybe on the live on Telegram and all of that. So if you're not on Telegram, join us using the link on my bio in the video description. And if you don't have a MEXC account, guys, sign up using the link that I've provided and get access to the $8,000. Once you sign up for an account, automatic $20 is credited to your account. So once you sign up and make a deposit, actually. So take advantage of this right now. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I'll let you guys know on Telegram when we'll be doing live trading on MEXC exchange, and I will be sharing all of the strategies with you, the calls with you to make money from it. And one of these days we'll wait to see when this new token are listed, and then we're going to do it together. So take advantage of this right now. I'll see you guys in the next video. For now, make sure you subscribe, like, and share this video with others. Now, if you did gain value from this video, make sure that you smash that like button, give the video a like, share it with others, and above all, if you are new to the channel, make sure that you subscribe, enable notifications so that whenever we publish new videos like this, you'll be the first to be notified. And if you want to learn more and take advantage of all of the free signals that we share every day, make sure you join us on Telegram. The link will be in the video description or my bio. I'll see you in the next video.